Also, as a side note, this is my second time doing this hairstyle and I think it looks really cute. So if you guys are interested in me doing hair videos, like natural hairstyles on my channel as well, just let me know in the comment section and I would love to do that for you guys. I really want to expand my channel and share everything I love doing with you guys on here. Like I said, if that's something you'd be interested in, let me know. So without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. So for this video, I'm just doing my updated foundation routine. I normally start off with a freshly washed face. Hopefully everyone does. But after that, I just apply some moisturizer. Here I use the L'Oreal Lumi Glow moisturizer, and it just gives you a nice, really radiant finish. For foundation, I'm using my Born This Way foundation in the color Caramel, and I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. A lot of the times I like to match the same brand of concealer with whatever foundation I used. So of course today I used the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced as well, and it's in the color medium, and then same thing, blending it out with my beauty blender. I've really been loving the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I use the color Blondie to just bake the areas where I put concealer, and then I leave it on for a few minutes and then I dust it away with a fluffy brush. So depending on what kind of look I'm going for, I'll usually contour with a cream contour, but today I just wanted more of a natural type glam, so I'm just going to contour with my Anastasia contour kit, and I used the medium to deep color, so I just put that on my cheeks, and then I'm just contouring my nose a little bit, and then I'll pop some on my forehead and my chin area. So that pretty much completes the face. I'm just going in with my Anastasia dip brow in the color dark brown and just quickly filling in my brows. As you can see, they're pretty full and dark already, so I don't have to use too much product. So I'm just going in with the number 12 brush and just filling in the sparse areas. And then last but not least, to finish off the face, I'm just popping on some highlight, and I use the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. And then for lips, I'm just doing like a nude lip. I used Baby Doll by NYX, and then I'll put some gloss over top. So since this just was my foundation routine, I didn't show the eye look that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know if there's any videos you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.